Okay, so good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on which time zone everyone is in. Welcome to the fifth or final webinar of the practical applications of IIIF project, which is part of the Towards a National Collection programme funded by the Arts and Humanities Research Council here in the UK. The practical applications of IIIF project, just as a quick summary, is one of 8 foundation projects that were funded within the Towards a National Collection programme. Our project was initially aimed at 22 months, though it's been extended slightly due to various issues to do with COVID. And I should say, although this is coming to the end of the practical IIIF project, the programme Towards a National Collection is continuing on, and there are 5 much larger discovery projects that have begun this year, and they are well worth having a look at and exploring what they're going to be covering. Now, the practical applications for IIIF's project, there is the website there on the left, is a collaboration of a number of people, several of which you'll be hearing from today. Including representatives from the National Gallery, the National Portrait Gallery, Edinburgh University, British Library, Royal Botanical Gardens, Digerati, V&A, Stanford Library, Science Museum Group, and the IIIF Consortium. So it's been a very, very good collaboration among some really, really good people. So the aims of the project have been to highlight and demonstrate opportunities and benefits of the IIIF standard and what it offers a wide audience of institutions and researchers, examine its potential to virtually connect IIIF collections from different organizations, explore the potential of existing IIIF systems and tools, and exploring what new ideas might need to be developed, or systems or tools might need to be developed to help maximize the potential of IIIF resources. Now, over the last 2 years, we've been looking to solve that. So organization of 5 main webinars and actively participate within a number of IIIF community activities and related projects. And obviously welcome to number 5. This is the 5th webinar, as I said. We're exploring how existing complex institutional APIs can be simplified to directly display IIIF resources to less technical users. And I will be presenting that soon. We've been working with 2 detailed surveys exploring the awareness and usage of IIIF within UK and European institutions, and examining the current presentation of IIIF content from UK institutions and what licensing that they've used. And that information is going to be included in the final report for the project, which should be published in the next couple of months. And finally, the development of a series of open source technical demonstrators and tools to provide new ways of creating and interacting with IIIF resources. And some of those we will be presenting today. The other 4 webinars we've had have been very well received. We had over 992 registrations for the 4 webinars, and we've had a lot of interaction with the content on our website and actually through the open data repository Zenodo, where we've uploaded all of the videos and slides from the previous webinars, and we will be uploading the content from this webinar there as well. Now, today we're going to have a series of 5 talks, and then a good section for questions and discussion for people to comment on the project or the presentations, or to just discuss more applications of IIIF in general. So this is kind of the running order today. So we'll begin with Anne Gloughlin, and then come back to myself before going on to Peter Cornwall and Charlotte Boland. And then the last larger talk will be from Digerati, Tom Crane and Diego Lago. And we will finish off with a discussion from Josh Hedron, representing the IIIF community or consortium. So I will now hand over to Anne, and we can begin the first presentation. Anne, would you like to go?
Thank you, Joe. Let me just share my screen quickly here.
I should say that someone has actually asked a question now. The chat and the Q&A are both on. We will try and answer them. You can just put things in the chat, or if there are specific questions, we will be saving all public presentations of comments in the chat and the questions and answers as well with part of documentation.